I've just been shooting since the past 5 years. So
Yeah.
every Ramzan is on set, every fasting is on set, and Eid normally happens also mostly
Yes.
on set. Eid Mubarak to all of you in advance, and hope you've had a lovely Ramzan. I would like to say I love you all. Thank you so much. अगर आप लोग इतना प्यार नहीं देते, तो I don't think we'd be doing what we do. Hi, my name is Shahzad Sheikh, and you're watching IWM Buzz.
Hi guys, welcome to IWM Bass, and today we have Shahzad with us. So firstly, big congratulations for the response you're getting for your character. क्या कहना चाहेंगे, राहुल को इतना सारा प्यार मिल रहा है?
I'm very happy. मेहंदी वाला घर is doing really well. 50 एपिसोड खत्म हो गए हमारे,
Yes.
and yeah, touch wood. और Rahul is a happy go lucky guy. और अगर ऑडियंस को पसंद आ रहा है एक लाइट हार्टेड कैरेक्टर,
Yeah.
because my intention was to keep him very natural, एकदम chill,
Yes.
not too heavy.
राहुल और मौली की एक फैन क्लब भी बन चुकी है।
Oh, अच्छा, how sweet.
क्या कहना चाहेंगे उन फैन क्लब को, the way they are giving you the
I would like to say I love you all. Thank you so much. अगर आप लोग इतना प्यार नहीं देते, तो I don't think we'd be doing what we do.
yeah.
And I hope you are liking the whole Rahul Molly banter and वो friend zone और party और जिस तरह चल रहा है. And I hope you're liking our family of मेहंदी वाला घर. और मतलब touch wood हमारे पास इतने सारे
Yeah.
powerhouse performers हैं. मतलब on our set also, even if you take one step, मतलब each and every single
Yes.
actor is a performer.
Yes.
So it's such a pleasure to be at work. So touch wood, मेहंदी वाला घर, hooray.
Ramzan is going on. How
Yes.
you're managing the rosa and doing
Whenever
the
it's
shoot?
not a hard day at work, some fighting scene is not there, I try to fast. And whatever, at the
Yeah.
best I can, the best I can do, I always try my best.
And what's planned for this year Eid? How are you going to
No,
celebrate it?
normally my Eids have been very boring for the past 5 years because
Why so?
I've been on shoot. I've just been shooting for the past 5 years.
Yeah.
So every Ramzan is on set, every fasting is on set, and Eid normally happens also mostly
Yes.
on set. But whenever I get the time, I always like to go home to my family who are back in Ahmedabad.
Yeah.
But the best Eids I used to have were back in Saudi when I was
Wow.
there. So the Eid over there is a 1 week celebration. So Eid की party होती थी और पूरे रमजान में इफ्तार पार्टी टू इफ्तार पार्टी होती थी.
Yes.
So
Yes.
for us, I think the Ramzan month in Saudi also is a great month of celebration and fasting, and we used to have a great time. And the parties used to go on from Eid to a week,
Wow.
back to back. Lovely times, lovely
It's
times.
like Christmas week is going on.
हाँ, we used to celebrate Christmas also over there. We lived in a multicultural compound, तो हम पे वहाँ पे सब कुछ celebrate करते थे. Christmas celebrate करते थे, Holi celebrate करते
Yeah.
थे, Easter, Halloween.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice. So you miss Saudi?
I was there for about 19 years, I think. So, Saudi Arabia was a very beautiful place to go. My hometown
Yes.
would be Jeddah only, अगर कहा जाए तो. But
जी.
yeah, it was a lovely place. Yeah.
So what's planned this year? Have you thought to
ये
take a
साल hope
break or do
I hope
shoot?
अगर छुट्टी मिल गई तो I think I'll be going back home to Ahmedabad, spending
Yeah.
some time with my mom, dad, and with all my boys back home.
Yeah.
क्योंकि now it's party time for us.
So whenever we say Eid, तो ईदी तो अपने आप याद आ जाती है. So ईदी अब तक की कौन सी बेस्ट मिली आपको?
Hmm. सारे रिश्तेदारों के नाम याद आ रहे हैं धीरे धीरे कि किसने कब कब क्या ईदी दी थी. But obviously mom and dad.
Yeah.
First and foremost and always on Eid it was always a very big present. Eid gift मतलब हक से आप मांगो जो चाहिए आपको मिलेगा. So I think mom and dad always.
अब तक का क्या बेस्ट गिफ्ट मिला ईदी में?
मैं गेमर बच्चे होते हो आप लोगों को क्या होता है वीडियो गेम्स चाहिए होते हैं. तो आई थिंक वो टाइम पे भी मैंने वीडियो गेम मांगी होगी.
Yeah.
एंड दे दिया PlayStation 1.
And if you want to give ईदी to someone, so क्या होगा? You
Oh,
always like to give like.
yeah, if I could, I would just love to give Eid to anyone and everyone I could.
Yeah.
But let's see. At least all my nephews and nieces, जिनके फोन ऑन आ जाते हैं, मैसेजेस आ जाते हैं, उनको ईदी उनके प्रॉपर जीपे अकाउंट्स में पहुंच जाती है. बट जिन्हों से मुलाकात होती है.
जी.
So yeah, but Eid is good time,
Yeah.
especially for the kids.
Shahzad, after giving so many years to television, is any plan for the OTT and the movie also?
I already did Anamika on MX Player
Yeah.
with Vikram Bhatta, and before that, I was in season 1 of Avrodh.
Hmm.
So these two, though, I've done. I'm obviously looking forward to working on Amazon, Netflix, and
Yeah.
big projects and
Yeah.
things. But television is a stream that you are doing a TV show. Your 25 days are locked here.
Yeah.
So for you, while you are working on TV, it's very difficult for you to manage your dates on OTT and web. And even if you do end up getting a project, sometimes it becomes difficult to manage your dates.
Yeah.
So I'm currently doing my Mehndi Wala Ghar, so I'm going to be doing this. As soon as this is over or when the time comes, hopefully 3-4 years later, we'll see tab ka tab dekhenge. Right now I'm concentrating on my job.
So when you do OTT also, TV also, what is that one thing you always find different and which place you always or feel is the best place to work?
So I'm born bred television, so I can't really tell you that. The pattern of working in television is so good, like
Yeah,
because we work every single day, our practice is really
yeah,
good. So if you give us in the hands of a good director, and if you put us into the hands of a good team, we can deliver whatever you want.
yes,
Because we are working every single day, and we do it on a lack of time. So we
yeah,
know how to do 8 scenes a day. But now most people always say that we take a hit in quality, but that's also because we have a time
true.
constraint. But when you're working on OTT, you have creative freedom, you have
Yeah,
time, you have scripts. The luxury of working and making a piece of art come to
yeah,
life is a luxury you have in OTT, because of which OTT, I think, is obviously presented in such a
yes, yes.
better standard. But television has its own charm, because as a television actor, I get to meet my audience every single day,
Yeah.
full year.
Talking about the Eid also, where you like to go always, Eid की छुट्टी हो तो किधर जाना पसंद
I would
करोगे?
like to go back home to Jeddah. I think I'd like to go back I think my family, all of us would like to go back to Jeddah, spend some time over there, go to
Yeah.
the beaches, have a couple of parties, lots of shopping.
Three routine you always follow on a Eid.
Wake up in the morning. First, you have to go for Eid namaz. After you come back from Eid namaz, you wish your parents. That's number
Yeah.
two. और फिर खीर मिलती है. And after that, there's a full भर भर के खाना होता है, और फिर
No
पूरी
diet.
दोपहर सोते रहते हैं लोग, पूरी दोपहर सोते हैं, फिर शाम को उठ के फिर you start
Yes.
enjoying
Yeah.
yourself and partying.
Thank you so much
Yeah.
and all the best.
Thank you. Thank
And
you.
Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak to you too. Hope
Thank
to see
you.
you soon. Thanks for
Thank you so
coming.
much.
Bye.
Bye.